Today we are going to start amines. In this chapter we will discuss about structure of amines, classification of amines as primary, secondary and tertiary, nomenclature of amines in common system as well as IUPAC system, methods of preparation of amines, physical properties of amines, chemical properties of amines and distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Amines. Amines are derived by replacing one or more hydrogen atom of ammonia molecule by alkyl or aryl groups. For example, in NH3 molecule, one hydrogen atom is replaced by alkyl or aryl group and form RNH2 or ARNH2 means amines. Importance of amines. They occur among proteins, vitamins, alkaloids and hormones in nature. Synthetic example includes polymer, dyestuffs and drugs. Adrenaline and ephedrine, both containing secondary amino groups, are used to increase blood pressure. Novacin, a synthetic amino compound, is used as an anesthetic in dentistry. Benadryl is a well-known example of antihistaminic drug, also contain tertiary amino group. Quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. Diazonium salts are intermediates in the preparation of a variety of aromatic compounds including dyes. Structure of amines. Amines are organic derivatives of ammonia in which the hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. For example, CH3NH2. In CH3NH2, one hydrogen atom is replaced by CH3 group, and in CH3NHCH3, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two CH3 group, and in C6H5NH2, one hydrogen atom is replaced by C6H5 group. Like ammonia, nitrogen atoms of amines is trivalent and carries an unshaded pair of electrons, means lone pair of electrons. In amines, the nitrogen orbitals are sp3 hybridized and geometry of amines is pyramidal. Each of 3 sp3 hybridized orbitals of nitrogen overlap with orbitals of hydrogen or carbon depending upon the composition of the amines. The fourth orbital of nitrogen in all amines contain an unshaded pair of electrons. To minimize lone pair bond pair repulsion, bond pair comes closer and as a result, bond angle in amines less than tetrahedral bond angle 109.5 degree. Pyramidal shape of trimethylamine. In trimethylamine, nitrogen contain one unshared electron pair, that is lone pair, and 3 CH3 group. Bond angle is 108 degree, which is lesser than tetrahedral bond angle due to minimized lone pair bond pair repulsion. In 3D structure of trimethylamine, here we can see clearly nitrogen atom is attached 3 carbon atom and each carbon atom is attached 3 hydrogen atom. Classification of amines. Amines are classified by the number of alkyl or aryl substituent on the nitrogen atom as primary, secondary and tertiary depending upon the number of hydrogen atom replaced by alkyl or aryl group in ammonia molecules. Number of substituent, compounds, formula and example. First, if number of substituent is 0, then compound is ammonia and formula is NH3 and example ammonia. If number of substituent is 1, then compound is primary amine and formula is RNH2, means one hydrogen atom is replaced by one alkyl group. Example, ethylamine. If number of substituent is 2, then compound is secondary amine and formula is R2NH, means two hydrogen atom is replaced by two alkyl group and example is diethylamine. If number of substituent is 3, then compound is tertiary amine and formula is R3N. Means 3 hydrogen atom is replaced by 3 alkyl group and example is triethylamine. Amines are said to be simple when all the alkyl or aryl groups are the same and mixed when they are different. For example, in CH3NHCH3, both methyl groups are same, so it is the example of simple amine. Second, CH3NHC2H5. Here, CH3 and C2H5 both groups are different, so it is example of mixed amines. Nomenclature of amines. In common system, an aliphatic amines is named by adding the suffix amines to name of alkyl group. The name of amine is written as one word. For example, CH3NH2. Common name is methylamine. In secondary and tertiary amines, when two or more groups are same, then the prefix di or tri is added before the name of alkyl group. For example, C2H5 thrice N, common name is triethylamine. When two or more alkyl groups in secondary and tertiary amines are different, then the compound name as and substituted derivatives on large group. For example, CH3 twice and CH2CH2CH3, common name is N-dimethyl propylamine. Aromatic amines are named as derivative of aniline. For example, aniline, and second example is parabromoaniline. In IUPAC system, amines are named as alkanamines derived by replacement of E of alkane by the word amine. For example, CH3NH2, IUPAC name is methenamine. When NH2 group behaves as substituent, then it is called amino group. For example, HOCH2CH2NH2. Here OH have higher priority than NH2, so OH behaves as functional group and NH2 behaves as substituent. So IUPAC name is 2-aminoethanol. When more than one amino groups are present at different position in the parent chain, then their position are specified by giving number to the carbon atom bearing NH2 group and suitable prefix di or tri, etc. is added to amines. The full name of hydrocarbon part is used. For example, H2N CH2 CH2 NH2. IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diamine. In aryl amines, NH2 group is directly attached to the benzene ring, while naming it suffix E of arene is replaced by amine. For example, aniline, and other example is 4-nitrobenzyamine.